This lesson is called Acquiring Media. We've got a blank canvas here, a brand new project, and we need some media. We're going to need some AVI files, some WAV files, some graphics files. Who knows? Let's see what we can come up with. You've probably used Windows Explorer 100 times, and if you're comfortable with it, you can use it here. Just take a file and drag it into the timeline, or drag it into the project media list. The list is automatically updated. We'll talk more about the project media list in the next lesson. For now, let's just say that we've got a quick and dirty project that we need to do, and we got to get some files in here fast. Use the Vegas Explorer to take a look through all the files. When you get a file you like, right-click on it. You can open in the trimmer. You can add it to the project media list. The Vegas Explorer can also play a music file. Now I know that a typical project is going to need a music bed, so here's one. And a typical project will need narration. So here's a little narration to play along with our music. We're going to need some images. So you can see how easy it is to bring things in. If you're working on a project with another editor who's using an Avid or a Final Cut Pro system, you can use File, Import to get in AAF files, and you can use Import Broadcast Wave to bring in broadcast wave files. You can also use Import Media as another way to bring in files. For example, if you want to bring in an AVI file, here's information about that AVI file. You can bring it right in. Notice how that AVI file was added to the project media list. We did not explicitly drag it in to the timeline. If you have a scanner attached to your computer and it's Twain compatible, Vegas will be able to plug into whatever software you're using and ultimately bring in the file. If you have an audio CD, Vegas will also extract the audio from the CD, track by track or all at once. Here's a list of file types that Vegas can import, including audio files, video files, and graphic image files. Caught me. So now we have an AVI file with its soundtrack, we have picture files, graphics files, and we have a narration, and we have a music bed. Something's missing. How about titles? Let's add a hot title. Notice that I inserted another track automatically by dragging it to the top of the frame here. As you can see, it's easy to get media of any type into Vegas. In the next lesson, we're going to be talking more about the Project Media Manager and the power it brings.